Okay, you guys, so here is our front mat, and this says American Dream, and it's from the Chive. My husband and I were like really obsessed with the Chive for a while. And then here is our front door. Here we go. Okay, so when you first walk in, we just have our coat and shoe area right here. Have my daughter's car seat, some of my husband's stuff right there, and you get a nice overview of our home. So right here we just have a front closet where we have like random coats, shoes, not gonna go in there. And then down here are some of the bedrooms and the kids' bathrooms. Here we have the kids' bathroom. And I got all of the alligator stuff from Target. I thought it was super, super cute. And then they just have their sink and all of that. So really simple. That's their bathroom. And then right here is my son's room. And it just looks like that. Really cute. I'll go ahead and go in here. So on this wall we have my son's bed, which my husband made, and I just love it. Came out perfect, exactly what we wanted. And yeah, it just looks really good in here. So this piece of decor up here is from Hobby Lobby. The bedding, the top tree bedding is from Land of Nod. The Save the Wild pillow is from Pottery Barn. The fox one is from Target, along with the little alligator. And then this blanket underneath here is from Kirkland's. And yeah, that's his cute little bed. And then he's also got his little space glow-in-the-dark stickers right there by his bed. He really loves that a lot. So that is Mason's bed. Then over here we have his tent, which is also from Hobby Lobby. And this little pad here is from Target. And then he has just a big body pillow and a couple of quilts and blankets in there to play. And then here is his little decorative wall. The fox is from Hobby Lobby. He actually, I made this with him. It's like the salt dough stuff when he was a year old. And then the Wild and Free, I believe, is from Hobby Lobby, and Seek Adventure is from Target. And the shelves are from Target as well. So there is that, his cute little tent. And then in here, I love the closet doors in the kids' bedrooms. They are just so, like, pretty. And we actually had a yard sale recently, so I got to go through the closet and really clean them out. They were like jam-packed full of clothes. So here is a little overview of his closet right now. And our closet is being remodeled, so we have some of our clothes in here. But up here, oh yeah, another thing I really love about this house is the shelving in the closets. They're all like custom, really, really nice, so that's been great. But this is just Christmas cards, old baby book of my husband's, all of Mason's like cards from when he was born, baby shower, all that kind of stuff in there. Extra set of sheets from Land of Nod, which is now Crate and Barrel Kids, I believe. This is a quilt made by a friend. This one was my grandpa's, actually. Mason's baby book here, little thing from the military, hat, drawers, just have random things. This has just old yearbooks, and the puzzle mat cases are in there. And yeah, just like random stuff in there. This is all clothes that I'm mailing to a friend of Presley's. And back there is everything I kept from the yard sale. 1 second. Clothes of the kids that I'm going to keep forever. And this is the letters from Mason's baby nursery that I made. An old bib. Just stuff that I'm keeping for myself. A couple mason jars. Easter baskets from Pottery Barn. And Mason's Minion suitcase right there. And then, like I said, that's just some of our clothes. So that is his closet. Hold on, buddy. Now this is like one of my favorite walls in Mason's room. So this is his gallery wall, just a little mini one, along with his dresser and his Hot Wheels track. So curtains are from Target. The dresser is also from Target. His crib used to match. Then he's got more Hot Wheels stuff, little picture from Hobby Lobby of him and Dylan, Mickey hat. The lamp is from Target, I believe. And then this cute little gallery wall. Everything is from Hobby Lobby, I believe. Pretty sure. So that is his room. And his dressers, I basically have just been trying to minimize clothes. He has so many clothes. This isn't even all of it. He's got some in the laundry right now. So there's shirts and tank tops. And then in here, like I said, he's got some stuff in the laundry as well, but just really trying to minimize what he has. But yeah, that is his room. And then this cute little picture is from when he was just a little baby, 3 months old. Hold on. 3 months old in that one, those little bitty handprints. I love them. Okay, super cute. And Presley's room is in here, but she's sleeping, so we'll come back. Okay, and then when we come out of the hallways, we have this little entryway here, and you can also see the playroom here. So we will just do a quick overview there of the playroom, and then here is the hallway. So we've got this piece of decor from Hobby Lobby, and this one I believe is just from Target. I got it a long time ago. And also these pieces in the hallway are from Hobby Lobby. Super cute, and obviously I'm missing a picture in that one, but that's okay. Okay, so we will go in here. My mom actually made me this for Christmas. I can't remember what it's called, string art. Yeah, she did that, so I thought that was really cool. And then here is an overview of our living room. Honestly, you guys, I absolutely love this house. It is like my favorite, and it's turned out exactly how I envisioned it when we first moved in. So yeah, I'm really happy to share it with you guys finally. So here is our living room. Like I said, I love the setup. I'm so obsessed with it. I have our little gallery wall here, and our TV, fireplace, and then it goes into the dining room, which we just sold our dining room table. Otherwise, you guys could have saw that as well. Then we have our bar here, and then the kitchen around there. So we will just do an overview of the kids' playroom. This room is my absolute favorite in the house. I had a vision and it totally came to life. So here is the playroom, and it has changed throughout the years. We've added toys, obviously taken some away, but right now this is what it looks like, and I absolutely love it. I hope that our next home we have an awesome space that we can use as a playroom as well. It's like a requirement for me because I just love that the kids have a space that is theirs that they can play in and really love. So that is the playroom, and I actually have a playroom tour and organization video on my channel that I will link for you guys if you want to check that out and go kind of more in depth, because this is just an overview of everything. And yeah, the toys are from all over. Not even going to begin to try to figure that out, but you can watch that video if you want. So that is the playroom. Now into the living room. The couches are from IKEA, and I absolutely love them. I was going for the farmhouse look, and they are just perfect. So we will just go this way. We'll start with the fireplace. So the curtains are from Target. The little basket is from Target as well. Blankets are from our wedding and various other places. Pretty much all of the decor is from either Hobby Lobby or Kirkland's. They are like my favorites. Our TV and TV stand, sound bar, Xbox. Then we have this little basket that holds all of our games, DVDs, cords, that kind of thing. Then we have this beautiful rug. And the rug is from Target. It's super soft, and I love it. Like I said, the couches are from IKEA. That blanket is from Target, and the pillows Those are from Target as well, I believe. And so this is the view from the living room. But here is our gallery wall. Just has a bunch of memories on it, and the frames are from Target, Hobby Lobby, Kirkland. Yeah, so there is our living room. Like I said, we sold our table. We used to have a dark brown table right here. That was really nice. But now we just have little sister's high chair, which is the Graco swivel. We just picked that up the other day. She's gonna start eating solid foods here soon. And then here is our back door. And yeah, my husband put this bench in. It's really great for storage, and it worked great with our table as well. And then here is our backyard. We have this really nice deck here, and then a beautiful yard, and our shed, grill, fire pit, all of that. Super nice. And then here is our kitchen. So as you can see, everything is pretty minimal. I like to keep my kitchen super clean, not a lot of clutter or decor. That's just how I like it. So there is our kitchen. And my husband did also put in these shelves, the granite, the backsplash, he did all of that, so that is really awesome. But here is our lovely kitchen. And I got this rug from Target as well. I got the chalkboard from Hobby Lobby. That holder is from Pottery Barn. I don't know. Everything's various pieces of decor. And then I love this door here going into the playroom, or you know, if you use that as a dining room, you can just carry your food right in there. This door is upstairs, and it goes to my husband's area up there, and then we also have like toilet paper, water, all that stuff up there. Then this is my laundry room, and it goes out to our garage. There is our laundry, and I love the storage above. And yeah, so there we go. That is our home. And then we just have sister's room to show you guys, but she is in there sleeping, like I said, so we will wait just a minute. Playroom. Then over here we have a linen closet, which I will show you guys, just because I love the closets in this house. So it's very jammed full. I tried to organize it, but it's just really hard. I don't know. Now we're moving, so I'm like, ugh, is it even worth it? Hello. Okay, come on out. Did you throw my pillow off my bed?
Because I want a blanket.
Oh, you wanted a blanket? Okay, Bubba, come on. Woo! Okay, so then this is our master bedroom. And don't mind the bedding, we are actually ordering a whole new bedroom set, so that is just blankets from the living room that we've been using until it arrives. But this is a little overview of our room. And I had a lot of vision for this room as well. It partly turned out, but on this wall, I wanted to do like 3 dark wood shelves and then just put tons of pictures on there, but we are moving, and honestly, we just didn't get around to doing it. But everything else looks really good. Obviously, when my bedding looks better, it looks a lot nicer, but this is what it looks like for right now. And the bedroom set is from Ashley. And over here we just have our nightstand, picture of Dylan and I. That was actually a maternity picture when I was pregnant with Mason. And that little love sign. And then we have cute little lights on our headboard, which I'm going to show you guys what it looks like because it's so pretty. Then over here I have my painting easel and these little signs from Hobby Lobby that just say hello there handsome and good morning gorgeous. I thought that was really cute. And then we've got my husband's dresser right here, the closet, which I'm not going to show you because it's being remodeled. This cute chair that I also got from Ashley Furniture, I believe. And then my dresser right here. And yeah, all the decor is from Hobby Lobby. And yeah, that is that. And then we have our printer down there. And now I will show you our master bathroom. Right in here. Here is our bathroom. Really nice double sink. And we have a really nice garden jet tub there. And some storage space, linen closet there. So that is our bathroom. And I'm going to show you what it looks like with these lights plugged in. It's like a really cute romantic look that I really like. Like how cute. I love it. It's so pretty. And when we first met and Dylan came to see me in California, I had this really cool like iron rod headboard and I had lights strung through it and it was really romantic. So he always says that it like reminds him of that time. So yeah, again, ignore my bedding, but that's the bedroom. And there's my cute boy dancing and singing. Woohoo! And here is little Princess P's room. Okay, so for this clip, as you can see, Presley was still napping in her crib, but I did just want to give an overview of her nursery, and I will link her nursery reveal video below, and in this video if you want to check that out. And in that video, I go more in depth, giving you all the details to her bedding, her furniture, everything like that. But yeah, as you can see, this is just a quick voiceover. So here is her room. It's just beautiful, turned out exactly like I wanted, and I am absolutely in love with it. I love her gallery wall. It's probably my favorite part of this room. And her super pretty fuzzy white rug, of course. But yeah, this is my sweet girl's room, and this is going to be it for my home tour. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and leave me any comments down below, any questions you might have. And be sure to subscribe and hit that bell if you haven't already. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed the home tour. Thank you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!